Hey guys, welcome back to Creativity and Inspiration. How's everyone doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. I hope you enjoyed the last video, kind of some new ideas for closures. Like I said, I'm trying not to spit back up at you the same thing year after year this year. It's a year of new things. Hopefully you like them. If you haven't Hopefully you like them. If you haven't watched that video yet, be sure and watch it. Today's video, though, is how to create depth, making your artwork, your journal pages, give them some depth, some interest by just using shape and size. And this can be, like I said, art, journal pages, whatever you want it to be. So let's jump into our video. What I have here is a canvas panel. As you can see, it's a 9 by 12 canvas panel. And I got a 3-pack of them. It says right there. I don't remember how much they were. And what I've done is I've done gradients of tan, beige, whatever you want to call it. So I have the darkest here, the lightest here. And I thought my idea when I did this is the ground and this is the sky. So that's what we're going to play with, how it's going to be for this lesson, for this video. And the only other things I'm going to need is one paintbrush and one thing of black paint, because I'm keeping this very monotone. I'm going for a certain look. I'm going to show you how shapes, simple shapes and size can create a really cool painting, journal page, whatever you want to use this for. And my idea, I don't know how many of you remember the wood light electrical poles we used to have, and they would have like 3 bars across, and the wires would run off of those bars from them. So my idea was to create an electrical pole with a wire close up. So it's going to be the largest image. We're going to put a bird on our wire. And then in the background back here, we're going to use simple shapes, squares, rectangles to create a city. And that's all it's going to take. And that's another reason I'm only using 2 colors. It's a simple painting. We need simple colors. Okay, so I have black. I have a small brush, as you can see. And like I said, first I'm going to start with the light pole right about here. And it's going to be close to me, so I'm going to make it large. And these light poles used to have 3 wood arms coming off of them. I think I'll just do 2. I like the way 2 looks, so we're going to go with 2. And if you've ever been in an antique store and you see those glass cylinders, that's what used to sit on top of these light poles. And they were conductors, so they would kind of be up on the pole like that. And you would have your wires running off. Now what I'm going to do is put my wire just going across. go. And you know, wires are kind of hard to see because they're kind of blowing in the wind. And you would have multiple ones. I'm putting it kind of wavy because sometimes they blew. Okay, so there's our electrical wires going across our page. Now we're also going to add a bird, but it's not going to be an in-depth bird. I'm going to put the bird on this lower wire, and I'm going to kind of put like a little shape like that, and then just kind of put like a little beak off of it, and that's it. And we'll put maybe another one right here. Okay, there's our birds. And then back here, we're going to make our city. And we're just going to use simple shapes. To make a city. And it's kind of off in the background in the heat. Because it's hot. It's like a desert. You see the cities coming together as I add in my buildings. Then you might have like over here, you might have off in the distance, you might see oops. Okay. And it's that simple by using simple shapes like rectangles, small squares, cylinders, circles. I've created the illusion of a city in the background. And then close up, I've made two little birds sitting on a wire. Guys, it's that simple. If you want something to appear closer to you on a page, make it bigger, and something to look farther away off in the distance, make it smaller. And nothing has to be fancy shapes or complicated. You can totally do it by using the most simple of shapes. Rectangles, little squares, and I guess I called them cylinders, but upright rectangles. In a circle, because if you know, Dallas has Reunion Arena, and it's a ball on top of a building. If you have certain landmarks in your town, you could definitely add those. But there you get the picture, quote unquote. And I think it came out really cool. It's really different, but I accomplished what I wanted to with this painting. If you like this painting, be sure and give it a thumbs up for me. And let me know in the comments also, do you paint? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, I leave you a comment down below if you want to answer my question. That would be awesome. And if you've made it to the very end of the video, let's use city as the magic word, and you can put that down in the comments. Also, today I finally got the Ko-Fi. Again, I think I mentioned this in the video, but I finally got the journals and some of those coffee bags with some goodies listed over on Ko-Fi. So be sure and check that out. And again, don't forget, if you haven't yet, hit subscribe and click that little bell so you'll get notifications when videos post. Thanks for being here today. Thanks for being here today, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.